Hey guys, Running Kimono here. So in today's video, we're going to be discussing new 90% clearance finds that I've been finding in Michigan. And just to share some of the stuff, it is always a little different what they have from week to week clearing. And hopefully you'll be able to find some of this 90% gold if this is stuff that you're in search of. Always a couple ground rules for you guys. This is always a year mileage may vary. Even if we're in the same state, it might be completely different at my store or my region compared to where you are. Usually on a Saturday or a Tuesday, these markdowns happen. The easiest way that you can see if an item has been cleared at your store or is on a clearance price is to look for the tag or ask a staffer to scan it in with their price gun or the zebra or whatever it is to let you know what the cost is. Summer clearance is over as well. Most stores has packed up most of their stuff and send it to a Goodwill. A lot of them also resell, huge containers of clearance merch, and then you see extreme unboxings here on YouTube. I bought the summer clearance over at Walgreens or whatever it might be. There's lots of great Amazon FBA sellers who do that. So anyhow, if you're still in search of summer clearance, it's sadly over. Now, before we dive into the slideshow, let me take a quick second to talk about my favorite app ever, which is the Fetch Rewards app. Guys, it is so simple. Yesterday, I went and bought 2 things of Scott's toilet paper, and I got back 85 points. I'm on my way to getting like $1.85 with that 1,000 points when you spend 20. This is stuff that we buy all the time because Scott's paper towel, there's always some sort of deal with it over at Walgreens. So, it's just a really superb app. This is part of their catalog, and you get extra points for buying this. So for new signups only, when you use my referral code, it's at the bottom of the screen and you submit your first receipt. It could be a pack of gum that you bought last week or something on clearance. You're going to be given 2,000 points, which is $2. It is that easy. So you would just go to the App Store, download it, remember to use my referral code, and then photograph your first receipt. That is paramount and key, and you will be awarded 2,000 points. And hey, if you're an extreme couponer, you're probably sitting on 6,000 receipts, especially if you did the beauty event last week and you could photograph all of that. And the kicker of why this is so great is that when you hit the $3 or $5 mark, you can get yourself a Dunkin' Donuts gift card. So a little something for you for Monday. If you're interested, please sign up and don't forget to use my code. Thanks so much, guys. So it is Monday morning and this is still going on. I made a special video about it. There is a thank you coupon for $1 off, and when you buy them in sets of 2 in certain regions, they will be completely free. Over here, they were 2 for $3. So the easiest way is to get the cashier to scan 2 of them, and what are they ringing up for? 2 for $2 or 3 for $2, and that is your choice. Do you want to get them for 50 cents each? Or, if they're free, I would grab a couple. But if you have that thank you coupon, by all means, pounce on it. Please watch yesterday's video for all of the details. But as of Monday morning, this is still working. I'm still getting messages of people saying, oh my God, I got my cotton balls for free. Oh my God. So be on the lookout for that one. Okay, guys, so over on Walgreens.com, I got an email this morning saying, hey, save extra money, use these codes. So this is on the website to get a 5 off of 30 if you use the code LEAF5, and you would obviously use that at checkout. I believe these are a one-time use. Obviously have the stuff shipped to your store too for pickup for extra savings. And it's just to entice you to shop online. We have a 10 off of 50, which is not bad, using the code LEAF10. So, just punch these in. I think these are all universal for most shoppers. And then a 20 off of $100 purchase with the code LEAF20. So I would do these if you need to pick up something on Walgreens.com. Maybe you can't find it in store. And definitely have your items shipped to store so you can also save on shipping. Okay, so the first clearance find that we have here is these Glade plugins. So it's a plug with 2 of those oils. I always want to call them liquids. So it's $6.99 for this little pack, and it's down to 69 cents. Whenever they have that, it usually clears really quickly. I did not buy a single one. And they also had a Febreze one that looks similar to this, like a different scent, but the similar plug with a little oil. So look at that, guys, down to 69 cents. And this was in the apple scent. So 2 apple oils and a plug. And then in that same area, they had these outdoor floodlights, $5.99 down to 59 cents. And then next to it, they had soft white bulbs at 50% off. So it's weird that they're all the same product. Some are 50, some are 90. So really keep a watchful eye out for that, because you don't want to get your hands stuck in a door of paying 50% off when you want it to be 90% off. Now, this is an item I have found at multiple stores on clearance. It is this bounce spray. You're supposed to spray it on clothes after it comes out of the dryer, and it's supposed to look amazing. So at this store, it was 50% off, and you might think, like, that is way too much. Like, are you rich? And the answer to that is only with rebates. So as you can see, it's $3.19. There's a $1.50 rebate on Saving Star, a 75 center on Checkout 51, making it 94 cents. Now, I know a lot of you might have manufacturers to go with this. My experience with Checkout 51 is that anything with a coupon gets rejected within like one hot second flat. So I always try to avoid using coupons with that app, because it's always rejected. But if you just buy it without coupons, or if you wanted to use points, that's another way around it. But hey, 94 cents is not like the worst thing for this product. And then at this one store I was visiting, they had a whole end cap full of clearance merchandise, and a lot of it was like medical, adult diapers. I didn't photograph everything. And I didn't buy everything either. I thought that I would just leave everything at this one store in case people needed to buy it at a reduced cost, because I don't need it in my stockpile just because. Lots of medication and that sort of stuff. So just to show you a couple of photos. Again, I didn't buy it. This guy was $3.24, and I'm not sure if there's an IVC. I think there is a manufacturer for this though, and this is also part of the Fetch Rewards catalog, so you'll get back some extra points for this, but I left it for somebody who needed it. And then if your kiddos get sick in the wintertime, or cold and flu season, this Pedialyte was also $1.99, and it's a massive container of this electrolyte solution. When kids have cold and flus and that sort of bad stuff, this is always great to have on hand. Okay, and more Robitussin. I think this store, they must have had a case in the back or something like that, because a couple weeks back, I think I got 12 when we had that IVC coupon, but the new month is just not there. But like, holy smokes, look at all that for $12.19. That would have been all free with that August IVC. And just a whole bunch of medications. This is interesting, and I just kind of want to show you guys this. And like, a lot of you might be like, I don't need this. I don't have a broken knee. It's this little sports band. If you hurt your knee, you might need it, by this company named Mueller. So it was $19.99 down to $1.99. Lots of stuff in this aisle, specifically like sports medicine, is on clearance. So, I would obviously use points for this. And even if I don't need it, if you were going to try and resell it on eBay, look at this, guys. You would be making like quite a bit of profit, especially if you're using register rewards or points, so you weren't feeling that out of pocket. Something light like this, you could probably throw it in the mail for like $4 with first class shipping. So it's just if you were doing like eBay or something like that as your side hustle, this is some stuff that you might want to buy. Obviously, the named brand stuff sells a little bit better than the Walgreens brand stuff, but say you had 2 or 3 of these knee braces and you wanted to bundle them, do your research obviously on eBay for how much this stuff is selling. But sometimes this clearance merch, if you were going to flip it, you could make a lot of money on a site like eBay. So we have the Walgreens brand. It's a double knee strap for $1.79. So all this stuff, I'm not sure if they're changing the packaging, or maybe they're not going to sell it there anymore. We have this looks like it says foot stopper insole. So it's some sort of like for your feet, like an insole slide or something like that for 59 cents. Lots of these also on clearance with the Dr. Scholl's, which is like the name brand. But if you are an eBay seller, you know that what to look for. And then this Dr. Scholl's at 50% off. So see, everything else that's 90 is gone, except for the one that's 50% off. So obviously, the sooner that you're looking for this stuff, the more you can score. And sorry, I don't have photos. Somebody had cleared the store before I got there. And this is a Dr. Scholl's. It's some sort of like foot powder. So if you have stinky feet, this might help you for 67 cents. And like, that's some tremendous savings right there as well. So, yeah, just definitely look through that pain relief, like sports medicine aisle. This is a Walgreens support glove. You never know when you might even need this for your household as well. For $1.29, that's practically free. So I'm not sure if it's just like older packaging or stuff that's been in the store for a couple years. They just have to liquidate it or what. But I know that a lot of people have been finding very similar stuff in their stores in different parts of the US. So yeah, and just to give you an idea too, if you're a reseller, this might be stuff to grab because it is so light for shipping. And hey, after this year, I think we all need a side hustle too. But this is a wrist brace for 99 cents as well. So when you're paying $9.99, that is a little bit out of pocket. And then the final 90% item that I have for you is this work belt for $1.99. So, and if you've ever thrown out your back, you probably know the value of this as well. If you live in a snow belt like yours truly, it can get expensive. And then beside it, there was a lot of like compression socks and stuff, but it was only 50% off. So I did not take photos. Good luck with this, guys. And you know the aisles to look through and make it happen. And if you are a reseller, maybe you can share in the comments what you have been finding and, you know, what is the best, maybe the best item that you found in a while and had a really good return on investment. I wouldn't mind reading that. As always, thanks for watching and catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.